What up, YouTube? I'm out here at Wingz and Thingz. I'm gonna try out their wings. I'm getting the buffalo and the barbecue and the fries. So I'm gonna check that out, see how that goes for y'all. I'll definitely love the wings. I think some of my favorite wings places is like Miami Subs when they used to be around, and Milton's. I love Milton's wings. Milton's specializes in pizza, but if you go during their lunch hours, oh, unlimited wings at that little buffet is so good. So hopefully these wings are just as good, and I'm gonna try them out for y'all and let y'all know how it goes. So I went to Wingz and Thingz for the first time. So the presentation, see all the flavor. All right, need a haircut. Fries are good. Already chewing on down on the fries. Let's see how these wings go. I always like buffalo flavor, and barbecue's probably like my two favorites. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite flavors for wings. Has a nice little crisp to it, flavoring. That's a decent wing. I like it. How they season it up a little bit before they fry them up. Put them in the batter. Definitely a nice flavor on that buffalo. Now to clean the palate. Try this barbecue. Barbecue good. They kind of remind me of those Milton's wings that I eat. Definitely a nice flavoring. And coated sauce on. The sauce got like a rib taste. That's good. That's really good. Let me get y'all. I don't think I gave y'all a close up of the buffaloes though. Good to me. Right to the point. I would definitely suggest going here and checking them out. If you love wings, you're gonna love this spot. So when you go, let me know what you decide to get, and then I'll leave all the information in the description below. Peace out.
Yeah. Tell me that I'm better than I am. Yeah. Only cause you see just what I can do. On the chase for euros, not the lamb. But I'm like tzatziki sauce, the way that you can't keep me off. I'm saying, dog, it's written that I'll be next to a meal. Yeah, I'm popping, that mean I'm next to a pill. Yeah, don't you see me, don't you see me? Boy meets world, big shots to Mr. Finney. I be the role model, sitting with coke bottle, figure women, acting like they single women. Yeah, I know the game, but I do not think about stopping the thing. I'm not on the old lane, ain't blocking no blessing. I'm learning that karma just work off intention. I only intend to make all of my change, yeah. I'm feeling the strangest, been getting more love from strangers. It's really not day ones, but day twos that make you. No wonder I'm turning these pages. The haters I did them and sending my drain. This nigga, I'm making arrangements. Cause back then you played this, but now you just play, yes, huh?